In today's first reading, we heard Lord God visited Abraham under the oak tree at Mamre. And after having a meal, Lord was going away, and the Lord thought, Abraham is my faithful disciple. How can I hide what I am going to do to Sodom and Gomorrah? So he tells Abraham, they are like friends. And when Abraham heard that Lord God is going to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah, he pleads with the Lord because his nephew Lot and his family was in Sodom and Gomorrah, in that area. He tells the Lord, if there are 50 people, righteous people, will you destroy those cities? God says, no. Then Abraham says, 45 righteous people, will you destroy? God says, no. Then Abraham pleads once again, 40, no. 30, no. 20, no. And Abraham says, my Lord, last time, if there are 10, only 10, will you destroy? God says, for the sake of 10, I will not destroy those cities. But God did not find even 10 there. Lord left the place towards Sodom and Gomorrah. And we know what happened to Sodom and Gomorrah.